Service Provider Design Specialist, JNCDS-SP, JN0-1362 exam is one of the specialist-level exams of design track. As one candidate who is planning for the JN0-1362 Juniper JNCDS-SP certification exam can come to DumpsBase to choose the updated Juniper JN0-1362 exam. Dumps as the preparation materials. Juniper JN0-1362 exam dumps provided by DumpsBase are written to coincide with the real test by the experienced IT experts and specialists. To match the current real test, the technical team will update the JN0-1362 questions and answers for any changes in time. So we ensure that you can pass Service Provider Design Specialist, JNCDS-SP, certification exam in the first attempt. Question number 1. What are two benefits of including analytics in your network management design proposal? Choose 2. A. Analytics can be used for troubleshooting and diagnosing network problems. B. Analytics dynamically standardizes software and firmware versions. C. Analytics can allow administrators to evaluate and optimize WAN resources. D. Analytics dynamically makes network optimization change. Answer. C, D. Question number 2. Your organization expenenced a man-in-the-middle attack and must protect against future attacks. In this scenario, what must you do to protect your network? A. Implement EVPN. B. Implement MACsec. C. Implement destination-based RTBH. D. Implement FlowSpec. Answer. A. Question number 3. What are two risks when using a source-based RTBH solution? Choose 2. A. The attacker address could be a CGNAT address resulting in a larger service outage for users. B. The target of the attack may not support RTBH. C. The attacker's address could be unknown. D. The target of an attack would be blocked, resulting in a target being offline. Answer. A, B. Question number 4. You are asked to design a WAN for a large enterprise. Each site must have multiple connections for redundancy. MPLS is not available at every site, butit is preferred where available. Which topology satisfies these design requirements? A. Hub and spoke Internet WAN. B. Full mesh SD-WAN. C. Full mesh MPLS VPN. D. Hub and spoke SD-WAN. Answer. D. Question number 5. You are designing a new service provider network and need to select a label distribution mechanism that guides certain types of traffic along specific paths within the network. Which two label distribution mechanisms would satisfy the requirements? Choose 2. A. RSVP. B. Segment routing. C. LDP D BGP LU. Answer A C. Question number 6. The operations team reports that the network is now so large that it has become a challenge to manually create and maintain RSVP LSPs. You want to provide the team with the capability to create LSPs using a graphical interface. Which system should you use in this scenario? A. OpenFlow. B. Paragon Pathfinder. C. Juno's Space. D. CSO. Answer C. Question number 7. What are two high availability solution for routers with a single routing engine? Choose two. A. VRRP. B. Non-stop active routing. C. Graceful restart. D. GRES. Answer A. D. Question number 8. Which three statements are true about class of service, CUS, schedulers? Choose 3. A. Schedulers determine into which queue a packet should be assigned. B. Schedulers determine the packet transmission rate for each queue. C. Schedulers determine the packet markings that are used to prioritize traffic. D. Schedulers determine how packets are handled during times of congestion. E. Schedulers determine the size of buffer assigned to each queues. Answer A, B, D. Question number 9. Your company's automation team is testing a controller-based solution for dynamic LSP management. They do not want the topology acquisition process to allow the controller to become a transit node of the core networks. Which solution would fulfill the requirements? A. BGP-LS. B. PCCD. C. PCEP. D. BGP-LU. Answer C. Question number 10. Which statement describes Juniper Networks' network management design best practices? A. You should ensure that automaton is used sparingly. B. You should ensure that only off-box automation scripts are used. C. You should ensure that only on-box automaton scripts are used. D. You should ensure that automation is used as much as possible. Answer B.